Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Sloppy Joe corn dogs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are corn dogs, parsley flakes, a 16-ounce can of Manwich. I'm using the bold flavor, 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to be using 4 ounces of our sharp cheddar cheese, and we're going to shred that. And I also have my seasoning mix for my ground beef. It's 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I just mixed it together. You guys can use the seasoning of your choice. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 375 degrees. You want to place your corn dogs onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I have the 100% beef corn dogs, and the batter is made with honey. So we're going to place them into our oven for 20 minutes. You want to make sure that your corn dogs are not touching each other. Now in a heated frying pan, we're going to begin to add in our ground beef. To heat on medium, so we're just going to go and begin to break our ground beef apart. Now we're going to take our seasoning mix and put it over top of our ground beef. And mix it until it's well combined. And you're going to cook your ground beef until it's brown all the way through. Ground beef is done cooking, turn off your heat and drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained it of all the grease, you want to return it back to your pan. Now we're going to add in our can of Manwich. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. I'm going to put your heat on medium low, and we're going to let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can turn off your heat and you can place your sloppy joe into a bowl and set it to the side. So after 20 minutes, we're going to let them cool down just for a couple minutes. Then we're going to remove the sticks. Okay, I've removed all of the sticks. Now you want to go ahead and cut them open, and do not cut all the way through. Just cut enough to where it slices the hot dog all the way in half. Once you have them all cut, we're going to fill them with our sloppy joe mix. Okay guys, look how yummy these look. So now we're going to take our shredded cheddar cheese, and we're going to go over top of them. Okay guys, now they're ready to go back into our oven. We're going to leave them in there for 2 to 3 minutes, or until all the cheese has melted on top. Okay guys, look how beautiful these came out. You can smell the honey that's in the batter. So now I'm just going to take some parsley flakes and just sprinkle some over top. Now we're ready to plate them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Sloppy Joe corn dogs. This is a budget-friendly meal, and everybody will love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.